Hi guys, welcome to another What's in the Box. This time it's the Hurricane Mark 1 in navy colours by Arma Hobby. And they're normally very nice kits. So this was reboxed in 2018. It's actually a 2018 new tool, but it was reboxed with new decals in 2018. So they obviously done a few different subjects when they did it, and hence the reboxed twice in 2018. So they're very good standard 172 kits. So there's never much to them. Now the nice clear parts there, nicely detailed, no damage. Just going to put that there. We have the sprue, yeah, and it's a very nice detailed sprue. Recessed panel lines. Being 2018, it is good quality. You can see there, it's got nice details on it. No excess flash, etc, etc, etc. Just excellent quality as always with Arma Hobby stuff. And another little sprue there, a few different types of spinners and whatnot. A nice quality decal sheet there, nice and clear. Good quality as well. All good. And then you get your nice little booklet, as you do with Arma Hobby kits, nice and standard, with nice colour images of the finish. There we go, and that's about it. So that's the Arma Hobby Mark 1 Hurricane in navy colours, new tool in 2018. Thanks for watching, take care, and I shall see you soon.